Hi, this is Joe, and I'm at Emlen Street in Cresheim Valley Drive, and we're going to check out this new dog path down here. My man Angelo's with me here. Angelo, come over here, boy. Turn in here. Check this out. Come on, boy. Okay, that's my man Angelo. We're going to try this new trail out right at the top of the Fairmount Park system. Watch this road, doggy boy. It's quite a road here. It's a nice country road in the city. Okay, get across it. Nice country road in the city. Emlen Street and Cresheim Road. Cresheim Valley Drive, right? It's a good mountain bike and dogging road here. Look at this debris, man. It's a dry wash. It's washed up all this shit off the highway. A little hard to get in here, you know. But if you have a good mountain bike, maybe you can get down this anyway. It was a nice macadam road. Now it's shale, man. It's shale in a creek here. So, yeah, nice doggy walk on the Emlen Street connector to Fairmount Park. And really maintain this, I guess. Look at this. Could be chopped back a little bit more. But you got different crews of people, you know. They come up here, these different P points on Chestnut Hill, and work on the most popular ones, I think. And it's a dry all the way down there to Feeder Creek for the Wissahickon. Damn shame the condition it's in. Used to be a nice paved road. Now it's all deer path. That's alright, it's still here. Some people whack the stuff back, you know. And some that whack back. Used to have some summertime people, summertime crews working on some of these obstructions on this Emlen Street connector path, Cresheim Valley Road. There's my man, he going down to the creek. He's a creek boy in a park dog. Yeah. I'll show you where it is and how it is. And they whack down some of this, that's good. Might be a little harder at night to get through here. Whacking out all this fallen timber here. Most of it's good for a bike here. Really is very peaceful back here, very beautiful back here. Got this kind of canopy in here, and you smell this vegetation in here, man. I used to come down here when I was a boy, walk this path. It's a real long path. It will take you down to the Wissahickon. Damn, been maintaining this path about 5 years, I can see. I used to love to walk this path. You gotta watch out for the Lyme disease today. A good dog. Yeah, let's go to the creek, man. You're a good friend. Let's go to the creek. There it is, down there. I see the creek. Angelo, the creek's over here, man. Just off you go to the creek. And it's all Creek Valley down there. Yeah. My man Angelo here just loves creeks. These are good paths to make you feel better walking around out here. Gotta lose some weight, you know. just found out I have one of these colon polyps, you know. Being fat, you know, sedentary, you can get that. I got to keep the weight down to keep it safe and healthy. Oh, that's a big doggy beach down there. I had type 2 diabetes from not doing this. As soon as I get out there and walking and eating the right foods and staying vegetarian, man, staying in a natural habitat, I cleared that up. Cleared up a lot of health problems. Just feel so much better now just walking around. What's that for you, Angelo? Mr. Workhart. Child, you come down the path, we'll go to the creek. Good dog. And normally I had to clean a lot of stuff in stores. Get the vacuum cleaner out every day, one of these bagless vacuums. It just, there's a ton of dust right in your lungs every day. So it's always a relief to come out here on vacation. A place like Fairmount Park in Philadelphia, PA. And get away from the dust and the grime, chemicals, or cleaning and warehousing. I just do this for a week or two every year. It's a big clearing out here. Some big rocks out here. I don't know what they're doing here. Looks like a bridge to me. If it's not working, I'll go down there anyway. There's their sewer system. It's right next to the creek, you know. See what this is. Oh, it's a special bridge they have here. Probably building it bigger. This is Emlen Street at Cresheim Valley Drive. Let's see what this is, man. Looks like some kind of sewer there, man. Bridge is closed. Don't say what bridge it is. Yeah, I hear these people here. Yeah, they're supposed to go around them, I guess. Yeah, I don't know if they want us walking real close to them there. Angelo, you want to go down there and go in the creek, boy? No, you want to keep going? Okay. Keep going, boy. That's fine. He's a work cart. Yes, you are. There's ballast here, man. Ballast as big as my hand here. 1.25 inches, 1.5 inches. Firm ballast material for one of these trails. It's a trail road, not a car road. That's pretty cool. They're building a bridge over a trail road. I wonder where that goes. Never been down this way when it was being rehabbed, you know. We'll change this around. So man, Angelo, you come back here. It's good. So I'm gonna start another video. So I just came off Emlen Street. We'll check this other connector out. We'll go down the creek. Talk to you later. Bye bye.